Hey, Matt Brulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today, beautiful day up here in the Northeast. This is a brand new 2025 250 SDX done by Sea Ray. Very popular model. A lot of open space back here. This will go back and forth when you get the outboard option, so you can actually get more of the swim platform. You can see that V8 250 behind there. Very nice, very nice. Glad they equipped it with the 250. So, ton of seating. You can put this back facing aft when you're hanging out. Same with this. Very good for entertaining. Got a big Simrad screen right here, GPS chart plotter. I like this. This is one of my favorite features. You open this up, you can see, put a kid down there for a nap. It's a changing room. I think that'd be mostly used for a changing room. But great size. Great size. And then you walk up here to the bow. Excuse me, ton of seating, good space, even underway. It's a great boat. They did a good job. Sea Ray, like always, they've been around forever. They know what they're doing. This is the epitome of a perfect little 25-foot day boat for the family, friends, anything you want to do. Boat show's right around the corner. We have incentives on this boat, pretty much every boat on the ground right now. So if you're interested in this or any other boat in my inventory, give me a call, 603-320-5524. Once again, Matt Brulette, MarineMax Boston. Thanks.